टू आसान है एजुकेशन। इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे अर्बनाइजेशन से रिलेटेड कुछ फैक्ट और डिफिनीशंस के बारे में, जिसको आप मेंस में आंसर राइटिंग करते समय यूज कर सकते हैं। देख लेते हैं। व्हाट इज अर्बनाइजेशन? अर्बनाइजेशन और अर्बन ट्रांजिशन refers to a shift in a population from one that is dispersed across small rural settlement in which agriculture is the dominant economic activity towards one that is concentrated in larger and denser urban settlement characterized by a dominance of industrial and service activities. So urbanization क्या है? Urbanization refers to shift in the population. For example, this is an rural area which is dominated by agricultural activities, and when we shift to a urban area which is characterized by industrial and services activities. Okay, सो अर्बेनाइजेशन क्या है? अर्बेनाइजेशन शिफ्ट इन अ पॉपुलेशन है फ्रॉम वन प्लेस विच इज़ रूरल एरिया विच इज़ डोमिनेंट इन एग्रीकल्चर टू अ अर्बन एरिया विच इज़ डोमिनेंट इन इंडस्ट्रियल एंड सर्विस सेक्टर एक्टिविटीज़. ओके, सो लेट्स सी द रीज़न वाई अर्बेनाइजेशन टेक्स प्लेस. सी, urbanization generally occurs as a result of one of the more of following processes. Natural population growth की वजह से, when more people move from rural to urban areas, when the boundaries of what is considered urban are extended from the creation of new urban centers. Okay, so what are the reasons? If there is natural population growth, it will increase the demand for good health, good education, okay, good social security. And when people move from rural to urban areas in search of job, employment, okay, basic medical facilities, and when the boundaries of what is considered urban are extended. For example, suppose this is the area which is considered to be urban, but due to developmental area this urban area has been extended, so this will also increase the urbanization. And from the creation of new urban centers, when new urban centers are created, their industrial and services sector will also be created, so they will also help in urbanization. Okay, so let us see very often urbanization is primarily the result of migration. So urbanization का प्राइम रीजन क्या है? माइग्रेशन. ओके, सी, urban population growth is often confused with urbanization. No, we should not confuse. Urban population growth means the population of urban areas are increasing automatically. Okay, for example, suppose 5 people were in urban area, now the population increased and now 7 people are there. अगर किसी अर्बन पॉपुलेशन की एरिया बढ़ रही है, देयर पॉपुलेशन इज इंक्रीजिंग विद इन देयर ओन environment, so that is known as urban growth. And urbanization is the movement of people from rural areas to urban areas in search of good health, job, education and social security. So now let's see some fact related to it. You can see this graph. Share of world's population living in urban areas. 1950 में 30% लोग रहते थे. ओके, नाउ 55% पीपल आर लिविंग इन अर्बन एरियाज ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, नॉट स्पेसिफिक टू इंडिया. 2030 तक 60% लोग अर्बन एरियाज में रहने लगेंगे. ओके, सो व्हेन वी सी द शेयर ऑफ वर्ल्ड पॉपुलेशन विच लिव्स इन अर्बन एरियाज, इन 1950 इट वॉज 30%, which has increased to 55% in 2018 and which is expected to increase to 60%, okay, by 2030. This is the UN's report. Okay, now let us see some India specific report also. See, a majority and growing proportion of the world's population is living in urban areas. The share of world's population living in urban areas is expected to increase from 55% in 2018 to 60% in 2030. UN 2018. In 1950, 30% of the global population was living. We have seen this fact in our last slide. क्या कि भाई एक मेजॉरिटी ऑफ पॉपुलेशन हमारा वर्ल्ड अर्बन एरियाज में रहता है. 2018 में हमारा 55% था, विच इज एक्सपेक्टेड टू राइज टू 60%. ओके, ओके, सी हियर. Okay. In 2018, Northern America was the most urbanized region in the world, with 82% of its population living in urban areas. So, urban area has increased in North America very fast. And what is the position of urbanization in India? Actually, it is expected to increase to 30 to 33%. Okay, we will see that in some other lecture, but we are talking from the perspective of whole world urbanization. Okay, see, urban population growth has been propelled by growth of cities of all the sizes. In 2018, 33 mega cities hosted 13% of the global urban population. By 2030, the number of mega cities is projected to increase to 41 with 14% of urban dwellers. ओके, सो 2018 में 33 मेगा सिटीज थे जिसमें 13% ऑफ द ग्लोबल अर्बन पॉपुलेशन था. बाय 2030 द नंबर ऑफ मेगा सिटीज विल आल्सो इंक्रीज टू 41 एंड विच विल आल्सो होस्ट 14% ऑफ द अर्बन ड्वेलर्स. ओके, इंडिया स्पेसिफिक अर्बनाइजेशन पे रिलेटेड फैक्ट हम लोग किसी और वीडियो में देखेंगे. ओके, टिल देन थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग, हैव अ ग्रेट डे.